So your team is ready to get paid and you're wondering how to run payroll in Gusto. It's pretty simple. First, you'll want to go to time tracking and approve your team's hours. With time tracking, you can view the individual hours worked and approve of employee hours. Once all is approved, sync it to your payroll. Now you can start running your regular payroll. With running regular payroll, you can add in all the details of your individual employees. Details such as overtime, bonuses, cash tips, other earnings, and even a personal note. Once the details are finalized, it's time to double check all of your payroll information. Review the final details and make any edits if necessary. Feel free to browse the variety of reporting options available prior to submitting your payroll. Once everything is ready and double checked, submit your payroll. We hope this short how-to was helpful for you. If you enjoy quick tip videos like these, leave us a comment so we know. I'm Ashley with Southern Payroll and Benefits, and now you know how to run payroll.